And my dear friends, today we gather to celebrate a very special day, our Independence Day. This is a day of pride and joy for every Indian as we remember and honor the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters. So let's begin our celebration with great enthusiasm and patriotism. A ray of light is a ray of hope. Let's leave all the darkness and step towards the bright path. It is mark of our underlying tradition to invoke the Almighty at the beginning of any important event.
So now we have a tradition. So now we have a traditional auspicious lamp lighting are many as a tribute to Mother Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge. On this same note, we request all our dignified guests to please come forward for the deep prajwalan.
एंड आप सभी को 78 इंडिपेंडेंस डे की बहुत बहुत बधाई है. टुडे we come together not just to celebrate the freedom that our great nation achieved, but also to instill the essence of patriotism in the hearts of our young ones. At the Providence Academy, we take immense pride in being the only preschool that celebrates this day like no other. We believe that even at this tender age, it is crucial to plant the seeds of love for our country. Wherever life may take us, we must always remember our roots. And that's exactly what we aim to teach our children. As a foundation school, we are more than just educators, but we are the bridge builders. We shape the characters and future of these young minds. That's why, along strong academics, we have included a variety of extracurricular activities such as art and craft, drawing, music, dance, karate sessions, and along with the field trips. These activities are not designed not only to enhance their skills but to build confidence and resilience. We have just started this academic year's journey, but already we see the remarkable confidence in our children. They will stand on this stage shortly and you can see their fearless, enthusiastic performances. We all hope for the same here. We believe in fostering growth without pressure, allowing them to bloom into the leaders of tomorrow. Today, we celebrate our nation's Independence Day. Let us also celebrate the independence and the confidence of our children. Together, we will continue to guide them, nurture them, and help them to the soar high. Thank you everyone. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Be the change you want to see in the world. Thank you again.
The brave soldiers who protect our nation with unwavering courage and dedication. Our young and enthusiastic students from upper kindergarten have been prepared a special dance performance to honor these soldiers. Through their dance, they will portray the valor, sacrifice, and patriotism of our soldiers who stand guard at our borders, ensuring our safety and freedom.
These little ones have put in a lot of effort to express their respect and admiration for our soldiers through their performance. Let's give a warm and encouraging round of applause to the UKG students. Anaya, Nirvi, Devyaraj, Ridhan, Joy, Auguste, Shauri, Harshal, Shresh, Divyansh, Shiva.
where each day is a celebration of unity and harmony. The next performance is a very special one. Our of the youngest students from nursery are here to present a heartwarming patriotic performance that embodies the pride of our national flag, the Tiranga. These little ones have been eagerly preparing to showcase their understanding and love for our national flag through their performance. So let's put our hands together and warmly welcome the nursery students. Ansuman, Divisha, Raika, Ishanvi, Advait, Prisha, Pravanjan, Pranish, Hiranya, and Athar as they take us on a journey of pride, sacrifice, peace, and prosperity through their beautiful dance. Let's give them a huge round of applause.
A huge round of applause for
Okay, bye-bye. Inspired countless people around the world. It is a song of hope, resilience, and unity. We shall overcome. Today, our talented students from lower kindergarten and upper kindergarten, along with our dedicated music teacher, Mr. Rahul Pradhan, will be performing this beautiful song for us. Their rendition of We Shall Overcome reminds us that no matter the challenges we face, with determination and unity, we can overcome them all.
Let's give a warm round of applause to our young singers. Please give them a big round of applause. Ananya, Harsh, Vedansh, Sanvi, Joy, Ridhan, Auguste, Nirvi, Akshat, Divyaraj, and Mr. Rahul Pradhan as they come together to share this inspiring song with us. What a melodious performance by our singers. To fill our hearts with pride and joy. Our little angels from the lower kindergarten have been practicing with great enthusiasm to bring us a beautiful dance performance on patriotic songs. These young dancers are ready to showcase their love for our country through graceful movements and vibrant expressions. Celebrating the spirit of patriotism, let's welcome the adorable LKG girls Arna, Lavika, Ridhima, Priyanshi, Advika, Khanak, Parishi, Sanvi, Shriyanshi to the stage with a big round of applause as they perform a delightful dance medley on some of our favorite patriotic songs.
showcase their skills. Karate is not just a martial art, it is a way of life that helps shape the mind, body, and soul. Through their training, our students have learned discipline, focus, and respect. They have become powerful, flexible, and strong, both mentally and physically. Let's give a big round of applause to Ananya, Anaya, Nirvi, Divyaraj, Ridhan, Joy, Agastya, Sauravi, Harshul, Shrestha, Divyans. Welcome our little warriors with a huge round of applause.
Watch left. X. Okay. In. Son. Keep. Go. Rup. Legs. Us. You. Go. Is. X. In. Stop. Keep. Go. Rup. Legs. Us. You. Go. Law. X. Okay. In. Okay. Stop. Keep. Go. Rup. Legs. Us. You. Go. Upper block. X. Okay. In. Stop. Keep. Go. Rup. Legs. Us. You. Go. और स्प्लिट्स करेंगे एक साथ स्टार्ट स्प्लिट स्टार्ट डाउन रेडी आएंगे स्प्लिट करके
अपन लेंगे मैम से लेंगे वहाँ जाएंगे ना तब मिलेगा अभी नहीं मिलेगा
बेटा इसको मत पकड़ो।
थोड़ा सा हेड डाउन 1
वो देखो भैया
3
फोड़ के देखो
4
देखो सब तोड़ के बता
5 6 7 8 9 10 next straight down 1 2 3 head down 1 2 hold 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 butterfly 1 2 3 4 5 head hold 1 down 1 2 3 4 5 stand up good your front row right foot back right left right leg अटैक कर रहा है हो चुकी काउंट एक्शन ठीक से अटैक करेंगे आप रेडी ठीक राइट रिंग जोर से
What a spectacular performance. Now, a special welcome. Mrs. Shekha Kavya is present between us, our chief guest. Ma'am is awarded as Medha Prabhakar by Rajya Mantri, IPS V.V. Kapoor, for her work in the field of women empowerment. She is also awarded by Delhi Governor as Best Industrialist, and she has also been Vice President of Rashtriya Shikshak Sanchetna. Currently, Mrs. Shikha Kabra is the academic coordinator of Charisma. I would like to request Mrs. Nelata Kayalji to welcome Mrs. Shikha Kabra with a planter and present the memento. Please welcome with a big... Three.
You, Jai Shri Krishna, and wishing you very happy Independence Day. आज इस इंडिपेंडेंस डे के मौके पर मैं आपसे एक बात पूछना चाहती हूँ कि 26 जनवरी और 15 अगस्त में क्या डिफरेंस है? कोई भी ऐसा पेरेंट है जिसे वो डिफरेंस पता है? व्हाट्स द डिफरेंस बिटवीन 26 जनवरी एंड 15 अगस्त? ओके,
संविधान लागू हुआ था।
देश आजाद हुआ था और हाँ, वेरी नाइस। और क्या डिफरेंस है? हम दोनों दिन झंडा वंदन करते हैं, उसमें कोई डिफरेंस है? हाँ, क्या डिफरेंस, उसमें क्या डिफरेंस रहता है दोनों में ध्वजारोहण में? वेरी गुड। या आज का दिन जो हमारा फ्लैग रहता है वो नीचे से ऊपर जाता है और उसमें उधर ही अनफर्ड होता है। तो नीचे से ऊपर क्यों जाता है हमारा फ्लैग? क्योंकि हम देश आज़ाद हुआ था तो हमारा ग्रोथ का सिंबल है, इसको नीचे से ऊपर जाता है। बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छा डिफरेंस है। वेरी हैप्पी कि पता है कुछ पेरेंट्स को। इसी के साथ मैं कहना चाहूँगी कि आज फ्रीडम डे है, फ्रीडम इंडिपेंडेंस डे है, तो अपने बच्चों को भी आप फ्रीडम दीजिए कि उन्हें जो इच्छा है लाइफ में वो कर सके। नाउअडेज बहुत कंपटीशन है मार्केट में कि 95%, 98% डॉक्टर ही बनना है, IIT करनी है। अब तो नॉर्मल इंजीनियरिंग की तो वैल्यू ही कम हो गई है, सो वी हैव टू बी एन IITian ओनली। सो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि अगर बच्चा स्टडीज़ में बहुत अच्छा है तो ही वो लाइफ में सक्सेसफुल होगा, ऐसी कोई थ्योरी नहीं है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। मैं खुद ऐसे मेरे ऐसे क्लोज फ्रेंड्स हैं जिनने बहुत कम एजुकेशन करके भी, हिंदी मीडियम से एजुकेशन करके भी, नाउ दे आर बिजनेस टाइकून्स ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश, और आज तक चैनल में उनके न्यूज़ इंटरव्यूज़ आ चुके हैं। तो ऐसा नहीं कि इट्स ओनली अबाउट स्टडीज। इफ योर चाइल्ड इज पैशनेट इन डूइंग एनीथिंग, वेदर इट्स स्पोर्ट्स, वेदर इट्स आर्ट और एनीथिंग एल्स, लेट देम ग्रो। उन्हें उनका पैशन थोड़ा पता करने दीजिए, क्योंकि क्या होता है हम सब एक कंपटीशन में लगे हैं कि ओलंपियाड्स में टॉप करना है, एग्जाम्स में फर्स्ट आनी है, कर्सिव राइटिंग अगर दूसरा बच्चा लिख रहा है तो ये क्योंकि। सो एवरी चाइल्ड इज यूनिक, डोंट कंपेयर योर चाइल्ड विद सम अदर चाइल्ड, क्योंकि हम भी यूनिक है। और हम अगर हम 98% नहीं लाए तो वाई टू एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम आवर ओन चाइल्ड कि वो ज़्यादा लेके आए। सो आज के फ्रीडम फाइटर वाले डे मेरा यही है कि उन्हें फ्रीडम दीजिए एंड लेट देम नो कि क्या हो रहा है दुनिया में, कैसे हो रहा है। लेट देम एक्सप्लोर द वर्ल्ड। अपने सपनों को उनके ऊपर ना डालिए, उन्हें अपने सपने, अपनी लाइफ खुद फ्लाई करने दीजिए। थैंक यू सो मच। मैं प्रोग्राम के बीच में एक्सट्रीमली सॉरी फॉर बीइंग लेट एंड थैंक यू सो मच मैम फॉर दिस। थैंक यू।
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspiring words.
It's your turn. Joy's energy and focus are truly shown through the competition, making us all proud.
Vedant Kumawat. Vedant, please join us on stage. Vedant has demonstrated excellent skill and perseverance, and this bronze medal is a testament to his hard work. Now, moving on a silver medalist. Now, moving on a silver medalist. Agastya Mishra, Agastya August has upturned himself with outstanding performance, earning the silver medal and making our school stand tall. Let's give a big round of applause to all our young karate champions.
We children are
Live in harmony. Dipped in love, fly in glory. Moments of freedom is shade of joy. Proud to be Indian.
Our next performance is an enlightening and heartfelt skit by our lower kindergarten students. These young stars are here to take us on a journey through the story of India's independence. Through their innocent yet powerful portrayal, they will show us the struggles, sacrifices, and triumphs that led our nation gaining freedom from colonial rule. Their performance highlights the bravery and determination of our freedom fighters and the significance of this historic day.
Let's sit back and watch as our little army brings life the inspiring story of India's path to independence. Please join me in welcoming the talented students of lower kindergarten, Ananya, Naivedya, Krishiv, Kian, Arav, Anik, Pragyan, Mahi, Khanak, Vivan, Avyan, Vedansh, Arham, Harsh, with a big round of applause. Our little army, please grace the stage with your presence. The stage is all yours.
There was a time when India was one of the most flourishing country of the world और हमें सोने की चिड़िया कहा जाता था। जहाँ दाल दाल पर सोने की धरती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। India was and still is one of the special countries of the world where all religions live together in peace and harmony. the world wanted to do trade with us, including the Britishers, who came only for trade but stayed for a bit too long, for almost 200 years. ये दोस्ती और व्यापार कब गुलामी में बदल गए ये समझने में हमें 100 साल लग गए. And then in different parts of India, people like soldiers and farmers came together to fight against the British. They were very brave and wanted to protect our country, even though it was a difficult time. Their courage inspired many others. They planted the seeds of freedom in the hearts of Indians. Its first major uprising against the British rule. It was a spark that ignited the flame of freedom in the hearts of the millions. The spirit of freedom did not die with this revolt. It lived on in the heart of the brave souls like Bhagat Singh. Inqilab, Zindabad, I will sacrifice my life for the freedom of my motherland. Our struggle is not just for freedom from British rule, but for a future where every Indian can live with dignity and respect. Chandrasekhar Azad, a name that struck fear into the hearts of the British, vowed to never be captured alive. I am Azad and I will be Azad. I will fight till my last breath for the freedom of my country. Subhash Chandra Bose, a visionary leader, inspired countless Indians to join the fight for the independence with all his call for action. Give me blood and I give you freedom. Our struggle is a sacred one. We must unite and fight with all our might to achieve the independence we so rightfully deserve. Mahatma Gandhi. He walked the path of non-violence, believing that truth and love could conquer all. The Short March, the Quit India movement, these were their battles for the peace, yet they shook the foundation of an empire. Together, they wove the fabric of freedom with their blood, sweat, and tears. From the flames of the revolt to the final steps of independence in 1947, our freedom fighters showed unparalleled bravery and dedication. Today, we stand free because of their sacrifices, and let us honor them by upholding the values they fought for, the cherishing the freedom they bestowed upon us.
What a stunning performance. Give them a big round of applause. Diversity of Indian culture is what distinguishes and beautifies India. Please give them a big round of applause. Now our preschoolers and their mother coming together to present a different to represent a different states of India. And admiration of our Indian culture, I would like to invite
Presenting the state Jammu and Kashmir, paradise on earth.
भारत यह रंगों का देश है। यहाँ विविधता में एकता और एकता में विविधता है। यहाँ की संस्कृति ही इसकी धरोहर है। तो आइए देखते हैं इस संस्कृति की
Abhimanyu Sharma along with his mother representing the state Haryana. Land of Vedas. Along with his mother, enlightening the state Nagaland, the land of festivals.
Mr. Mishra, along with his mother, represent the state Odisha, the land of Lord Jagannath.
Ishan Kataria, along with his mother, representing the state Chhattisgarh, the land of God Almighty.
Sridhan Kumawat, along with his mother, represent the state Madhya Pradesh.
Mother, representing the state Gujarat, the land of life.
Along with his mother, representing the state Rajasthan, the land of
Malik Sharma, along with his mother, enlightening the state Maharashtra, known for its Gurdwara Nishita Meena, along with her mother, enlightening the state Tamil Nadu, the land of temples.
चिल्ड्रन बहुत ही खूबसूरत परफॉर्मेंस था मदर्स के साथ भी कुछ बच्चे थे थोड़े क्रैंकी थे बट दे वर एक्साइटेड आल्सो एंड स्नेहा जी एंड टीम हैज डन वंडरफुल जॉब हमसे एक बच्चे को संभालते अपने वो इतने सारे बच्चों को संभाल के इतना कुछ सिखाते हैं सो गिव अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर प्रोग्राम टीम
program, it is time for us to come together in the true spirit of our nation. Let us stand tall and proud as we sing the Jana Gana Mana, paying tribute to our great nation and the countless heroes who fought for our freedom. I request everyone to please rise for the national anthem.
Thank you so much. Thank you for joining.